Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am showing you how to deshell a coconut, a very easy and fast method. Place the coconut over an open flame. You can use your gas burner like I did. Now let it burn for a few minutes. Make sure you turn it so the shell heats up evenly. Once you start to hear or see cracks, then it's time to take it out. Just use a knife or an heavy object to heat it. Make sure the coconut has cooled down a little before you start this process. Because I love coconut water and I don't want to make a mess, I had to secure the coconut water first. Keep this aside and continue with the process. If you try this method, your coconut shell is going to come off easily. The fire loosens the shells and make the coconut meat easier to remove. But in case the coconut has coconut head, don't panic. Here is what you should do. Continue heating it, then get a knife. Once you find an opening, use your hands to just push it, like break it as you see me doing. And yeah, that's it. It should come off easily like this. If you found this video helpful, please do help to like, comment helpful, and share this video with someone that needs it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. For the shell, I'm going to make a remedy for toothache with it, so do help to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. Bye.